Hello everyone and welcome to the Raster Concepts tutorial. Here we will be talking about pixels and resolution. Pixels are these virtual square units, each with their own color value assigned to them. They are aligned in a matrix with a certain set width and height, forming the dimensions of the image and thus the resolution. Any image displayed on the computer screen is represented through this matrix of pixels. This method of abstracting images into squares is called rasterizing. It sounds a little complicated, but really it isn't. Just look at this example of trying to draw a circle on a 10 by 10 pixel image. You can see that the limitation of only having 100 squares to represent the circle leads to a heavy pixelation of this figure. This is the abstraction I was referring to earlier. However, if we increase the resolution to 100 by 100 pixels, we already have a lot more squares to work with. So the quality and the clarity of a circle increases. The shape of a circle is easier to read and the squares are more difficult to notice. So you can sort of understand where this is going now. With a procedural increase in resolution, so does the quality and clarity of the image increase. So if we look here at a circle drawn in the standard full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, you can see that the image is obviously much crisper and the shape of a circle is much more clear compared to where we started from at the 10 by 10 circle, which we see here. Still, however, if we zoom into this 1920 by 1080 circle, we can still get to the point where we can actually see the squares. However, they are so small that in the overall image they're, indecipherable. In conclusion, you just have to understand that all digital images are made out of these little squares called pixels. The higher the resolution images you create, the higher the number of pixels, and thus the more clear the image will be. Always make sure you work in high resolution images so you don't end up with pixelated and poor quality content, like the 10 by 10 that we talked about. So this is all you need to know about raster images as a concept. I hope this helps.